Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I will teach you how to make a paper airplane with a piece of lottery paper. I ran out of regular paper, so I picked this one and show you guys how to make a paper airplane. Let's see what I can come up with this lottery paper. Let's begin now. First step, I'm going to fold the paper in half like this. And then unfold the paper. Now I will start from the upper edge for both sides to the center crease. This side to the center crease and the other side to the center crease as well. Make sure that both sides are even. Alright, so this looks good. On the following step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper down to this point. You can see this line here. I just fold straight there. See the bar? Fold straight there and start from here. On the following step, let's fix this side part of the paper first. Let's fold it this way, and then on the following step, let's fold this part of the paper up straight up like this. Okay, this is fine. Okay, make sure that you fold straight to here, this point. Let's look good. On the following step, let's fold this part of the paper to the center crease, where it is. Alright, and then pull this size of the paper right here, pull it out so you can create a head of the plane. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I'll fold this edge to the center crease, press down the paper and hold this, and pull this side of the paper out like this. Here we go. So I just finished the paper airplane. On the following step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper back up like this. You can see, fold it in half. This may be off a little bit, that should be okay. Alright, and on the following step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper down. And now I'm going to repeat the opposite. Let's adjust it a little bit like this. So this area will be longer than this area, this distance. Adjust it, and I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Just adjust it a little bit, fold down, and I can adjust the paper and hold it up, and here we go. This is a paper airplane folded with a piece of lottery paper. You can fold this part of the paper up so it looks cool as well. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Fold this, the end size, the end of the wing up. So just fold straight up like this. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Hope you guys enjoy making this paper airplane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.